remember, men in general always overestimate three things. Always overestimate three things. They think they can fight better than they actually do. They think they can drive better than they actually do. Tanungin mo yung typical guy, tingin nila kaya nilang pumasok sa F1 car tapos mag-F1. Tingin nila ang galing-galing nila mag-drive. And the third is they think they're better lovers than they actually are. It's always that. Men will always overestimate their ability to fight, drive, and be intimate. So, concentrate tayo ngayon dun sa fighting side. Believe me, for those who have never actually entered into a competitive combat situation, it is night and day. Maniwala po kayo, hindi yan yung makikipagsuntukan ka lang dahil napikong ka dun sa lasing sa kalye. Hindi po. There are levels to this game.